to our channel. Today we uploaded our second video, our third video, and it is from Halima and Ayan. They are also one of the best speaker and a brilliant student of our spoken class. Today we are here just because of our sir. We can speak this with good English. All the credit goes to him. We are on the stage. It is all because of our sir. He is from Kerala and he is one of the brilliant teacher. I am very thankful to him. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and say your opinion in comment box. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
Hey Ayan. Hello Halima.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, tell about you.
I'm absolutely fine. Do you know about your YouTube Institute channel?
Oh really? I don't know. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Its name is Jammu Khar Express a Legacy.
Okay, I will check it out on today.
I heard that you are going to participate in a speech competition.
Yes, I am going to participate in a speech competition.
Oh, what's the topic of the speech competition?
There are many topics like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, but I chose only one topic as a Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Oh, it's very interesting. Did you prepare your speech?
Yes, of course.
Can you please tell me?
Okay. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in a good family. His father's name was Motilal Nehru, who was a famous advocate of Allahabad. His mother's name was Swarprai Nehru. He was married to Kamala Devi and had a daughter Indra, who is the ex-Prime Minister SMT Indira Gandhi. At the age of 15, she went to Gujarat for higher education. He studied at Cambridge University and returned to India. He was impressed with Mahatma Gandhi and his leadership he started working. When India became independent in 1947, he made the first Prime Minister of India. They had a special love for children. Even today, Jawaharlal Nehru birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. This great person died on May 27, 1964. Thank you.
It's very amazing speech. Good luck for your speech competition.